In today's episode, let's talk about prompting in generative AI. What is a prompt? A prompt, think of it like this. It's a recipe for generative AI to follow. And like a recipe, there's no ingredients, the ingredients are low quality, or there's no appliances, or there's no instructions. Generative AI is gonna bake up something real unimpressive. It's not gonna be good. I saw this prompt recently. It says, "You're a car sales expert. Help me build a sales telephone script to help sell the new Chevrolet Trax 2RS to potential customers." And this is being billed as like this expert prompt. I'm like, oh my God. The intent of the prompt is clear, but in no way is this prompt going to create anything even remotely effective. I ran it and it came up with just appallingly generic, boring stuff that isn't going to impress anyone and is for sure not going to help you sell any cars. Why? There's a bunch of stuff missing. The ingredients are missing. Like, who is the customer or the intended customer of this vehicle? What even is a car? I've never heard of it. But I'm not a car guy. What is the car? What do people like about it? Why would someone buy it? Who is it for? Who is it not for? And then if you're doing this, say, as an auto dealership, what are your specific selling points as a dealership? Why would someone buy this from you rather than go to the dealership in the next town over? What's different? Now, how would I do this differently? I might start with that prompt or a prompt similar to that, but I would then add in a bunch of ingredients. I would say, let's export the car and driver reviews of the vehicle, because that will tell us what the industry thinks of it. The dealership specs about the car, that tells us what's in the car. The dealership's 5-star reviews on Google Business, so we know why people should go to that dealer. The ideal profile of the customer profile of the ideal intended customer. If we had all that data, all those ingredients, then we could run a prompt that maybe went like, "You're a car sales expert. Help me build a sales telephone script to help sell the new Chevy Trax 2RS to potential customers. Here's some background information, positive reviews from Google Business about our dealership to help you understand why people should buy from us. An ideal customer profile of the buyer for this vehicle, car publication reviews of the vehicle, our landing page, and our specs for the vehicle, information about our dealership. Based on all this information, now write the telephone script that would be most convincing to our ideal customer profile." When I ran this prompt, the prompt itself, not hugely different. It's, a couple paragraphs now, but there's 15,000 words of extra content, all the reviews, all the specs, all the write-ups and things. And the result that spit out when I ran this was a sales script that is narrowly tailored to the ideal customer, with the tone and tenor of what customers appreciated most about their interactions with the dealership in the past, with known objections for that specific ideal customer identified and countered, giving a salesperson exactly what they need to anticipate objections, to put themselves and the dealership and the vehicle in the best positive light, to market to the people who are actually going to buy this thing instead of just sort of a generic profile of everyone. That's how you prompt. Generative AI is no different than any other form of AI or machine learning. The more data you provide, the better it performs. And this is something I say in my keynotes all the time. This is true of every industry. Whoever provides the most best data to generative AI will get the best results. Whoever provides the most best data will win with generative AI. In any industry, any market, any profession, if you are using generative AI and you are not providing the most best data and someone else is, they're going to get better results than you. So your takeaway from this is, when you're prompting, provide relevant ingredients as much as you can to get better results. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you on the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to know when new videos are available, hit the bell button to be notified as soon as new content is live.